Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Taking screenshots on an iPhone is a simple thing to do, but there's more that meets the eye. Apple includes a handful of nifty tools for screenshots, and there are some clever unofficial tricks you should know about. In today's video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on iPhone without buttons. We can use iOS backtap feature to take a screenshot by tapping the back of your iPhone. Backtap is an accessibility feature that can be used for all sorts of things. You can decide what happens when you double tap or triple tap the back of the phone. If you take a lot of screenshots, this might be an easier method. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Find and tap Accessibility. On the next screen, tap Touch. On the touch settings, on the touch settings screen, scroll down until you see the backtap option. Tap on Backtap. In the backtap settings, you have a choice of assigning the screenshot actions to either 2 steps or double tap, 3 steps or triple tap on the back of the case. Select the option you would like. The menu that pops up, scroll down to the list until you locate screenshots. Then select it. After that, you back on menu level. Make sure your selection is saved. Then exit settings. Then next time you tap 2 or 3 times depending on which settings you choose on the back of your iPhone. iOS will capture an image of your iPhone current screen and save it to an image file. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.